with WTI, and once you travel with compression packing cubes, you are never going to travel any other way. I recently tried these compression cubes by WVLIROD, and I was so impressed with how much I was able to fit in them. One thing that's great about these is that the zipper opens all the way around. I've used other compression cubes that don't open all the way, so it really made it so much easier for packing and unpacking. One thing that I was pleasantly surprised about in this pack is the wash bag. First of all, I used it for all my liquids that I was packing in my checked luggage. I love that this was plastic so that if there was any liquids leaking due to cabin pressure, I didn't have to worry about it leaking onto any of my clothes. And because this is really sturdy, boy, did I fit a lot into it. Basically, every liquid that I was bringing fit into this one bag. I was really impressed with these packing cubes. They made packing so much easier. I was able to bring so much more into my luggage. I think you'll be really happy with them too. And that's my point of view.